All right, we made it to Knoebels. It is about an hour before the park opens, so we're gonna go and try and get some tickets. So they were voted for having the best food. We're gonna find that out tonight. So they had one of these rides before, and they got rid of it. So now they have a new one, and they've been testing it. You can see it's brand new decking they have here and everything. 2 hours ago, people were here getting food. I got to the park 3 hours ago, and I've just been walking around taking pictures ever since. People have been sitting there walking their dogs everywhere and stuff. So it's free. You could just come in here and just walk around. We're gonna go get our stuff inspected real quick. You can record on rides here, which is crazy because you can't do that anywhere anymore. There's a couple things you should get on here before anything else because the lines are gonna get huge. Haunted Mansion is definitely one of them. The food here is phenomenal. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna have first. The park is coming alive. It's so cool. Even going to Cedar Point a few hours early, sitting on the beach and just hearing everything just starting up for the day and stuff. That's like my favorite time of day at any amusement park. So here comes Haunted Mansion. Uh-oh. He's got a big spider on him. Ray, you probably wouldn't like that. Neither would you, Top Thrill Phil. In order to get on this ride, it's 4 tickets. So even though I have a wristband, Haunted Mansion is totally different. So what you do is you get these little ticket books here. I just give them 4 of these, and that'll get me on the ride. Oh! Oh, spooky! Uh-oh! Oh! Oh, wow! God, this ride is so crazy. Oh! Oh, this is so cool! Look at all the skeletons! Oh! Oh, we're in the jungle! Look at how cool this is! Oh, oh! Alright, let's see what we got here, guys. Oh! Oh, there I am! Yes! You even have the thumbs up. I didn't even realize I was doing the thumbs up like I normally do. So Haunted Mansion is it's probably one of the best ones you can get on. Disney's cool and all, but this is so nostalgic and cool. Like, I would do this any day of the week. Very, very happy I made that my first ride here at Knoebels for the day. I have been here before. Here's the line for flying turns. Looks like it's not open just yet. So we're gonna go over to Phoenix. Now, this was actually voted best wooden coaster.
Enjoy your flight.
Okay, Phoenix has officially gone up my list. I have no idea how I stayed in my damn seat. I have no clue. Is it better than the Voyage? No. Is it better than most wooden coasters? Absolutely. You can actually rent out a house right in the middle of the park. You can walk outside and you're right on a roller coaster. Thing is, these book well in advance, way in advance. All right, here is Twister. This was modeled after Mr. Twister, which was at Elish Gardens. If you don't have a wristband, this is $5 to get on. There she goes. I will say this, Twister is better than Phoenix. It's probably going to be a great night ride when I get on. What's really cool here is you can bring your dogs. And in fact, there's a couple rides your dogs can actually get on. At the end of the year, the pool here, they have a dog-friendly day where you can bring your dog and it's a huge dog swim day. Let's see what the line is for Impulse and try to get on this one. There we go. Skull floats, apple cider float, pumpkin roll milkshake. Yeah, everything here looks good.
Right next to it. 41 makes two more than what you also.
So, first night ride is going to be Phoenix. This is my first time ever riding Phoenix at night. The line for flying turns is nuts. There's no way we're gonna wait 3 hours to get on flying turns. Folks, welcome to Phoenix at nighttime. It is dark out here, guys. So we're gonna try this out, Phoenix at night, and see what it's like. Lots and lots of spiders everywhere. Okay, so Phoenix at night, row 3. Very good ride. You feel like you're gonna fall out the entire time. The fact that the restraints are the way they are on it is what makes that coaster so good. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy. Yep. Okay, it is always fun going on Black Diamond. It's really a nice, huge attraction. It's got to be a pretty big building back there. All right, Twister at Night is by far the best night ride that I've been on in Pennsylvania. No doubt about it. What a great ride this is. Like, you have no idea where you're going when you're riding it. And hopefully we can end the night off here on Phoenix. Riding Phoenix at nighttime during the Halloween event is something I think every enthusiast needs to do. It's great. It's an amazing ride. This is the last train of the night coming back right now. It is 10 o'clock. Park's been open for 4 hours and we are getting out of here. Tomorrow we are going to Dorney Park and can't wait for that one.